Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you super fast hair growth formula, and it's the fastest hair growth formula overnight. This magical remedy, my friends, works for all hair types, and even if you don't have the right genetics to grow super fast hair. And this magical hair growth formula, my friends, is very simple to prepare at home, yet it's very effective, and I guarantee you will get magical results. You'll grow your hair super fast overnight, my friends, and even though if you don't have the right genetics to grow super fast hair, this will work for you. I guaranteed a very good result if you stick to that remedy with just two simple and natural ingredients at home. The first thing we'll need is two medium-sized onions, and we need to slice or chop the onions like so. Once you chopped and sliced the onions, we need to place them into a food processor or a grinder to juice these onions. Once we have juiced our onions and we grind them in a grinder, we need to strain it to get the fresh onion juice. Onion is a natural hair stimulant which will stimulate the hair growth from the root. My friends, onion juice works like magic. It grows the hair from the roots and it thickens the hair from the roots. It stops the hair fall. Once we get the fresh onion juice, my friends, now we need to add to it 3 tablespoons of castor oil. And my friends, you cannot replace the castor oil in that remedy. You need to stick to these ingredients, and I guarantee you will see a magical results, my friends. Now mix all the ingredients very well until they combine together. Once you mix and combine all the ingredients, we need to dip in a cotton ball with an aid of a cotton ball to apply it on your roots. My friends, don't ever massage your scalp with a cotton ball. Always massage your scalp with your fingertips. Just squeeze the cotton ball to get the drops into your roots, and massage your scalp with your fingertips. This is the best way to massage your scalp, and leave this magical remedy overnight, my friends. Wear a shower cap or something, and in the next morning your hair will grow. I promise you, my friends, this works like magic. And if you keep using this magical remedy twice a week, you will get super long, super fast hair. This magical hair growth formula works for all hair types, it works for all ages, and it's super effective. I hope this magical video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming simple and natural effective remedies, and I will see you in my next video.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those, that will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.